Good morning, and today we're here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida at the Brightline station, one of their new stations, and this is one of America's newest trains that I feel like can actually catch up to Europe and Asia. They say it's a high-speed train, which it probably is not, but... So this is one of the lounges here at Brightline. Yes, they have lounges here at the train station. Now this is the one that comes with the general regular ticket, because today we are not taking the first class experience. That will be, well actually today we are. The next train we will. Oh man, I feel like a king right now. Premium, low-key might be worth it. Okay, you guys actually got to give it to Brightline. The fact that they have a lounge like this for regular people, like this is the regular ticket price. Nice comfy little couches and chairs. There's also plug outlets on the bottom of the chairs. I think we might be finally catching up to Europe and China when it comes to actual train stations. Plus they even have huge monitors, probably not that huge, but monitors to where you can see the trains that are arriving. But I still can't get over the fact that they give you a place to actually sit down. Now, this right here is apparently the market where you walk in and it's self-serve. So you gotta scan your card apparently, and then you go in, grab something, and then leave. So let's go test to see if this actually works. Okay, so apparently you just scan the payment method. So Google Pay, Apple Pay, your card, and then shop for products and exit through the exit turnstile. No checkout required. Bye. It's authorizing it. Oh, we're allowed in. Seems like they have basic snacks in here, and stuff is still super expensive. Well, not too bad. $2 for a Pop-Tart's not that bad. Then you have your Brightline merchandise, everything. I think this is like a little bag you get to take and shop with you. Huh. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I definitely need a coffee, and I shouldn't, but I should, shouldn't I? Yeah. So with vanilla. Can't go wrong with a little vanilla. Okay, let's, I got the coffee right here. Let's see. So it says ready to go. Guess we just. Oh. Wow, that actually works. I honestly still can't believe it. The fact that you can walk into a little small store like that with your card and then walk out with whatever item you want, and you just go through the gates. And then of course it's gonna, still charge me my $5 for it. Of course I want y'all to hear it. Just love that sound. There's just something about being able to come to a train station and actually pull out your laptop, your journal, and just write and just get things done. Like, look at all this space you're getting here at Brightline. Okay. Don't put your feet up on furniture. That's definitely not appropriate. I did it just for the video. When you're traveling, you get the chance to meet random people from all walks of life, and I'm here with...
Hi, good afternoon or morning. I'm Lourdes Ferreira. I'm from Miami.
So, how do you feel about Brightline, since, we really don't have great trains here in America?
So I have to say that since last year I've been taking it. It's wonderful. It's new. The people are very accommodating. It's the way to go. And now they're expanding it. It goes to Miami, it stops in Aventura, and then it goes to Fort Lauderdale and West Palm Beach, and now they already did Orlando. And I think this is the way to do it, to travel. I agree.
I agree too. I feel like planes is just so boring because you get on the plane and then it's just like, it's so tight and cramped. But here there's so much open space, especially with a beautiful place here like Florida. But I didn't tell you my name. I'm Davion.
Hi, nice meeting you,
Nice
Davion.
meeting you. I hope you have a great day.
Yeah.
Here comes the train. What a beautiful scenic train. Wow, there's a lot of cars on it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 cars. Okay, first thing we need to say about this train is just look at these seats. They're super soft. You get all of this real estate for working with your laptop. Even this little, oh, it's kind of tight. To put your phone. that is pretty good. Like, I mean, now what you guys really care about. Yes, they do have 2 US plug outlets. We have 3, 4 US plug outlets, and then 1, 2 USB. So a total of 4 US plug outlets at a seat of 2 and then 2 USBs. It's pretty good. I would have loved to see USB-C, but you can't get greedy when you have these kind of seats here. Now you do have a lot of room in these seats, and I think you can go back. There's a little button right here. Oh. And a lot of leg room. That's a whole lot of leg room. We're going 52 miles per hour right now. We're an intercity train, but it's here in America. All right, now let's test out the actual Wi-Fi capabilities. Okay, let's see. So they do have Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is gonna be Brightline. Okay. I feel like the perfect way to actually test is this Wi-Fi good is to get on Netflix and YouTube. So far, we're doing pretty good. Okay, let's go to YouTube now. That's not bad at all. Oh, now it's raining. Welcome to Florida where it rains and they have some of the brightest trains. No pun intended. I don't even know if that was a pun. Brightline. Okay, I'm gonna stop y'all. They also do have coat hangers. Or for, I mean, your hoodie, jacket, whatever it is. And it looks like there is blinds. Okay, I know it's not that special, but every attention to detail matters when it comes to trains, especially here in America. And it slides up easily. Oh, just like this. Looks like you do get your own little reading light. This is one of the reasons why I love taking the train. It's just getting the chance to look out the window and just seeing, just look at the palm trees. It's just beautiful. And you miss that. You really do miss that whenever you're in the plane, in the air, and you're just falling asleep, but your neighbor's drooling on you. You can't beat train travel, and I'm glad that the U.S. is starting to bring trains back. Which trains is what built this nation, or one of the things that built this nation. You know, one thing I noticed about this train is it reminds me of South Korea. It's very quiet. Like, it's not no subway, it's not a metro, it's an intercity train, but it's very quiet. Wow, I forgot to show you all these. Of course, you do have good trusty armrests.
Attention all Brightline guests. Our train is currently traveling at a reduced speed as a safety precaution due to speed restriction in the area.
I think the reason for that is because there's been a lot of accidents at railroad crossings with Brightline, and I don't know if it's Brightline's fault or not, but yeah, see, here's a crossing right here. Which, I mean, it makes sense. Be safe.
Welcome to Miami. Thank you for riding Brightline. Have a bright day.
Okay, all in all, how do I rate my first experience with Brightline? 8 out of 10, and I think it's because of the lounges, but for the next trip, we're taking first class where it's all included. And we do love how they have the ramp access. So for people that have a wheelchair or a scooter and you're trying to get on, Brightline's got you covered, actually. Seems like they're doing a great job with trying to integrate with other public transportation options here in Florida. So they have the Metro Rail on here, the Metro Mover, and rideshare, so Uber and Lyfts. Honestly, I can't believe Miami has a nice modern day train station like this. This train station gets a 7 out of 10, sadly because the market and the food places aren't open, but let's go catch a drink and check out the first class lounge. looks like they have a lot of different food options. Umami burgers, Sam's crispy chicken, but like just look how deep it goes. I wish it was open. I'm gonna have to try Cindy Lou's cookies. Seriously delicious, apparently. Y'all know how I feel about my ceilings. We're not in a castle or a museum today, but you gotta love the ceiling here at Brightline Miami Station. Okay, so we gotta go downstairs so we can try out the kiosk and see, can you actually buy some tickets? Will it be worth it? All right, let's see how easy it is to buy a ticket on here. Okay, so we're gonna go from Miami to West Palm Beach, see Machado today. We're gonna leave at 147, $22 for regular smart class and $52 first class. Let's go with that. Okay, let's choose the seats. There's a lot of available seats in the premium. So all the blue is available, 5C. And yes, if you're wondering, they do take Apple Pay right here. So it does print your ticket, it's a little small right here. So it does seem like the kiosks, they're actually not that bad. You can print your ticket and it does send a ticket to your email, but download the Brightline app. It's a lot more intuitive and pretty easy. And it looks like they do have a Joe and the juice bar over there. They're bumping. So for people that are from America, you should know, people like to represent their city by their area code for their phone number. So I guess Miami is a 305, but I got to keep repping the 214 from Dallas. So they do have another Mary Lounge here, but we bought the premium first class, so I think alcohol and snacks come with the ticket. And they have the self-checkout thing here too. Oh, and they have selfie sticks in there. Okay, so for first class you gotta scan again, which I mean makes sense. It looks just like the other lounge, but just a tad bit better. But I think it's because the snacks and the alcohol that you pay for, because my ticket was $52. We got a good old coffee machine, some bottled water, Pepsi Max, well, sorry, there's no Pepsi Max here. Sorry, my European friends. And then this is what we came here for. And then apparently they have wine here. Huh. That's crazy. Self-alcohol pouring. What a time to be alive. And that is my train. All right, we're looking for 5C. 5C. Oh man, I feel like a king right now. Premium, low-key, might be worth it. Same thing again, but let's just look how much space. I can stress out my legs. I'm 5'8", if you guys were wondering, 68 inches. And like my head doesn't even fit all the way in this. Good job, Brightline. Yes, you do get 2 plug outlets here at your own seat.
Oh wait, you get 2 more.
So, first thing you get here in first class or premium is Brightline little towelette. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. I don't think it's for the face. Oh, this is moist. This is moist. Smells good though. Oh, this is really good, high quality. Look at this. That's high quality. It better be for $52 from Miami to West Palm Beach. Okay. Now I don't see any trash cans though. That's one thing they could add on this train. Little small trash bins. They probably just don't want to pick that up though later. Okay, I just realized that towel is probably used to wipe down the actual table. Maybe, I guess it just depends on your preference. Good, how you doing? What kind of alcoholic drinks do you have?
So I have spirits, wine, beer.
Can I have a beer, please?
Beer. So I have Bud Light, Corona, or Alicia.
Corona.
Corona. It's gonna be your beer ID.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. And for the Corona, it's the can okay, or would you like an extra cup from the side?
Can's okay.
Can's okay.
Yeah.
Here for you. This is the Mediterranean. It's hummus, chips, and olives, or charcuterie.
Which one do you recommend?
I'm not a meat. I don't do the pork, so this one.
Okay, I'll
The
do this one then.
Mediterranean?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so some of the things that are included with your premium class, first class, is you get to choose a soft drink. So you get to choose a soft drink or an alcoholic beverage. So I chose Corona.
Mediterranean, hummus, chips, and olives, or
You get a snack too. They had gummies, they had popcorn, and granola bars. But I chose granola bar. And then I got a Mediterranean snack box. Looks like there's olives in here and hummus and some chips and some carrots. And apparently C goes through one more time since I'm going all the way through. So Miami to West Palm Beach. So I guess I can get, something again. If you pay for this, make sure you get a beverage, a wine, water, something, and then eat some of this. All right, let's try the olives. Oh. These are pretty good olives. Get some chips. I don't understand why. Like, look at all that empty room. They could have put chips in, but they didn't. Some of this good old hummus. $6.4. Rounded down to a solid 6. Not bad though for train food. Got some carrots too. Carrots. Also, I'm pretty sure I paid for, I'm pretty sure I chose going in the direction of the train, like my seat, but apparently I messed that up. So now I'm facing the opposite direction, which I hate doing on trains. So this train does also have a 4-seating configuration. So if you're traveling with your family and you guys want a table, make sure you guys do book early. Now, this is the only place in the train I've seen that actually has the pull-out also with a good old trusty cup holder. And for the plugs, seems like you get 2 plug outlets right here and 2 USBs. And then 2 more right here. So if you're sitting in the window, you're gonna have a total of 4 plugs and then 2 USBs. And most of the time I feel like when you're sitting in the the table configuration area, there's not enough space for yourself. But there's plenty of space. I'm not gonna lie, premium / first class, definitely recommend doing it one time in your life. But Brightline, they're really doing big things here in America, and I hope more train companies can actually do what they're doing, because they're the only private passenger rail train company here in America. I don't know where I'm headed to next, but I know it's somewhere in Europe. Hit that subscribe button and follow me to 196 countries.